is Rory Bancroft. I am from Greenville, Michigan. I chose to go to Spectrum Genetics due to the fact that my mother works at Spectrum Health and she had actually been tested by the genetics lab. She didn't have Komen's help. I was eligible for it because my insurance only covered so much, and my sister also used Komen. She didn't have any insurance, so she was helped out more than I was. So my sister and I both had decided, because of positive on my mom's side, there's a 50-50 chance that we could, and my sister actually has 2 daughters, and she wanted to know for them. If you know, then you don't have to fight with the doctors so much. You don't have to struggle to get those tests done just because you're young. My experience at Spectrum was actually very easygoing. The genetics team there was very friendly. As a result of the testing that I've gotten, I get an MRI in the fall, and I get a mammogram in the spring. They're about 6 months apart, and that way they can compare and contrast. I've had biopsies because of it. I've also had ovarian cysts detected already on my ovaries, and they're monitoring those as well. So without having the testing done, I would have never been able to find the ovarian cyst because that's part of the BRCA. And thankfully, as annoying as normal testing is and having to go in every 2 months, I know that those cysts aren't growing. Early detection is definitely forefront. Definitely, I'd rather catch it early. My mother was fortunate enough, both times that she found lumps, she found them early. She was never in danger of not being able to do the lesser options. It was only because of the gene that she ended up doing the mastectomies. But early detection for me means that I can make that decision faster. Komen has helped me not only financially with the testing, even if they didn't have to cover it completely, but the friends that I've gotten from it, the fact that they can call me up and I can talk to them if I've got worries. I've met so many survivors that are, in a sense, kind of prepping my mind for things that I could possibly go through as far as the mastectomies. One thing I would want other people to know, don't be afraid to ask. Just because of the fact that you think that you don't have the money for something doesn't mean that there's not somebody around the corner willing to help. Knowing is power. Knowing that you have that option to know is power. You know, without Komen, I probably would have never even gone through the testing. Early detection is power. Thank you, Komen, West Michigan. I'm alive.